Okay, we've let our stick dry. So we got the stick in here now. The head's all carved. So what we're going to do next is we're going to drill our hole here, in here for our string. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section. I'll get back with you. To hire. And right now you can try ZipRecruiter for free. That's right, free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. That's ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter.com/radio. Hey, sports fans, we're bringing you the most places to bet in Ohio this January. From Hollywood. I'm going to use a 1/4-inch drill bit to drill my hole in here, and I want to try to hit my center up here. Download the app now and free register with the promo code OHLive for $100 in bonuses. $50 my cash and $50 online bonus cash. It's almost game time. Hollywood's Barstool Sportsbook taking bets January 1st. Fresh choices at Hothead Burritos. We have the bowl that's and we'll just pour it out some. You can see we're about center, about where we want to go. I might want to come back just a little bit more. So we'll work on that, then we'll come back with the next step. Thanks for watching.